Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a character on Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find 5 options. Select the third one with the plus sign. Then you're gonna see create character option. Upload the photo, tap on it, tap album, select the photo that you want to upload. Now tap on save. Now scroll down and under scene card, select upload scene image as well. Then tap on upload your photo, select album, go ahead, look for the photo. Once you find the photo, you're gonna have to tap on that photo, then adjust it, then tap on done. Now you're gonna have to nickname it, then tap on save. Select the gender, type in the nickname again. Now tap on next. Now you're gonna have to introduce your character, give its personality, then tap on next again. Now enter your message, then tap on next again. Now select if you want to make it public or not, then type in a greeting which they'll greet while someone messages them. Once you do that, tap on save and chat from the bottom of your screen. Now go back and you'll find the character under your profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a character on Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.